Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing amazing and I hope you're having a great day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can use Quora for affiliate marketing. So let's get right into it. So affiliate marketing is basically just promoting content either of your own or of other people, businesses, and so on and so forth as an affiliate. And whenever people either click your links or go through any way of affiliating you with the sales that they do, you will get a certain amount of money. And doing that directly on Quora, such as posting links to actual other services, is against the rules. It might get your account suspended or even banned, so that is technically not allowed to do on Quora directly. However, there is a way you can go about doing this by going around that system, and that is pretty much referencing in your answers and in your questions some other blog posts or some other posts on other sites which contain the actual material that you want people to see. This could be affiliate links and so on and so forth, and that is not forbidden on Quora. All you need to do is pretty much just add that middle layer between it, because just posting links to other sites isn't against the rules. Affiliate marketing is, because that could easily just lower the quality of questions and answers, and it can just fill up the site with garbage. So Quora does have actions that they take against that. So just make sure that you link some other posts or other sites which aren't directly promoting whatever that is. Some blog posts, as I've said, are a great method of doing that. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.